Hey guys, back in the video. I got 15 packs for you. This is my phone, so let's open them. First, we'll start with the beginner's pack. Just a bunch of bronzes and silvers. Playoff. Oh, got a silver player. Player up. Let's do headliners. Headliners. Team of the week. Game time. Reward. Let's do daily warm up. Okay. Now now let's get into the Football Outsiders. Here we go. Poof. Come on. Okay, now let's see what I need. Okay, hold on. I'm selling a bunch of these. Here we go. Let's set. What do I need? Do I need? Yeah, offense. Okay. First I'll show you my team, my elite players. Boop. My defense is better than my offense. I have 5 elites on defense. Okay. Peace out, my home diggity dog.